Divide 27 by 2. So here we divide 27 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the beside number 7 and we can remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we don't have here the beside number and 1 is less than 2. So now we put here decimal, so we can take here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 27 divided by 2 we get 13.5, that is 13.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.